Hey, what's up guys, Winston here, and today we'll be taking a quick look at the Zotac Gaming GeForce RTX 2060 Amp Edition. And now for a short message. This video was made possible thanks to Funkykit. You can support us by clicking on the Amazon links down below for some great bargains, giving us a like on our Facebook page, and also subscribing to our YouTube channel. And don't forget to visit our website for more news, reviews and hot tips. Thanks for listening. We're already taking a look at the GeForce RTX 2060 from MSI, and this is the latest version from Zotac, the RTX 2060 Amp Edition. This one features a super overclocked GPU running at 1800 megahertz. It uses the same DDR6 Ram and also the latest Nvidia GPU, the RTX 2060, featuring the Turing architecture. With an overclocked GPU of 1800 megahertz, you need that extra cooling, and Zotac have included the Ice Storm cooling solution, which includes a compact but large heatsink with copper heat pipes and also twin fans. One of the things I like about Zotac graphic cards is the compact size. In fact, most of the ones we've seen will actually fit in most of the cases out there. And to give you gamers that little bit extra, you also find the spectral lighting feature, which you control using the Firestorm software. Let's see how this card performs in terms of performance against the MSI GeForce RTX 2060, which we reviewed last week, and also against other GeForce GTX 10 series. So before that, let's do a quick unboxing and build a test rig, and we'll see you later. Alright, let's do a quick unboxing. This is the Zotac GeForce RTX 2060 Amp Edition. Alright, let's see this box. Alright, inside the box, okay, we have a Zotac envelope. See what's inside. There's the quick installation guide, some information pack about the other products. No driver disk, so I'm guessing you have to download that off Zotac's website. Okay, let's have a look at the graphics card. Right. Okay, look at the size of this thing, it's tiny. So this is a twin fan, Ice Storm cooling solution from Zotac. We have got the Zotac Gaming logo right here. It's a very nice logo. It actually lights up. You can actually control the lighting feature via the Firestorm software. You also have the 8-pin PCI power, one of those there. Nice metal back plate here that gives you the extra support and provide a little bit of cooling. And then you can see again the heat sink right here with the heat pipes. Fairly decent heat pipe there. Okay, so twin fans, and for connectivity you have the display port. You get 3 of them there, and also 1 HDMI. I actually do like the size of the Zotac graphic cards. They are compact and will fit in most cases, and we will be putting one of these in our test rig and see how this performs against other GeForce RTX that we've tested. So let's begin our test build. We'll see you in a bit. The overall performance of the Zotac GeForce RTX 2060 Amp Edition is very impressive. It beats the MSI equivalent by a slight margin and can easily outperform the GTX 1070 and in some cases even the GTX 1080. This is all thanks to the overclocked GPU running at 1800 MHz. The default boost is 1680 MHz. As you can see from UL's 3D Mark Port Royal benchmark, the Zotac RTX 2060 produced a score of 3886 compared to the MSI score of 3820. For Final Fantasy 15 benchmark, the score is very close indeed, with only 3 points between the Zotac and the MSI. Thanks to Zotac's Ice Storm cooling solution, the low temperatures were very impressive, with a high of only 66 degrees Celsius. Since the card comes already overclocked to 1800 MHz, I didn't see the need to overclock it any further. However, if you want to take it to the max, you can use Zotac's Firestorm software to give it a further boost. But be warned, any overclocking is done at your own risk. So to wrap it up, the Zotac GeForce RTX 2060 Amp Edition with its overclocked GPU, ice storm cooling solution, spectral lighting, as well as its compact size is seriously worth considering. If you want a compact RTX 2060 graphics card with performance to match, then there's only one choice. Get yourself the Zotac GeForce RTX 2060 Amp Edition now. And there you have it. This is the Zotac Gaming GeForce RTX 2060 Amp Edition. With an overclocked GPU of 1800 MHz, it's one of the fastest GeForce RTX 2060 available on the market. Hope you enjoyed this video. Give us a like and leave a comment down below. You can actually buy this via the Amazon links down below, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and also visit our website for more news, reviews and hot tips. Until next time, this is Winston for Funkykit.com.